Hey guys, it's me and Levi. Guess what I got for you today? I got two things. I have the Spoiled Cat Club. Levi, come. You want to see what's in the Spoiled Cat Club? Oops. Hopefully I didn't show my address. And I have the Cat Lady box. Don't you like the beautiful new purple box? And I feel like I got hair all over my face. Okay, let's go see what's in here. This is a brand new offering by Cat Lady. It is 3 cat toys. This is specifically for your cat. 3 cat toys and the option to get treats added inside. He's already enjoying playing with this. So let me take everything out. I obviously didn't look at it. I just opened it. And I do have 3 cat toys. Isn't this cute? This is a little llama. Now these cat toys, I can smell it from here. They are stuffed with catnip. The brand new offering has actually 3 toys, and Levi's going to town on this one. Come here. This is a little cat. We got a little pole toy where it hangs from the pole and you just run around the room. And we got a llama. So I'm going to give him to Levi to play with because he's definitely interested in them. He's smelling that catnip and he's biting that little llama right there. He's enjoying it. And we also got some snacks. These are flavorful fulls. I never saw these before. They're cat-filled treats filled with protein, chicken meal, and a bunch of other goodies. So this is only $4 extra. Let me show you the toys. We got this one. Sorry about the disjointness of the video. I actually wasn't going to film today because I didn't feel that great, but I really wanted to show you these boxes. So if you're not familiar with these kind of toys, oh, this is nice. Usually this is plastic. This is actually a wooden dowel. And we have a swirly, whirly toy right here. What do you think of that, Levi? Oh, he's digging that. He's digging that. And of course, we have the comment card. Each toy is valued at $5.99, $6. They give a little synopsis of each. And they're filled with catnips. So catnip spice. So that's really cool. And we're gonna go ahead and let me just show you the toys one more time. You can feel it. You can feel all the catnip in there. And I think my favorite is definitely this little llama. It is so cute. So there's Levi playing, and here is the July Cat Lady box. Let me get back. Let me get back in the picture. Though you'd probably rather see Levi. And this is their new, and I'm going to say improved box because I love the color purple. And they're now just called Cat Lady box. It's not the Crazy Cat Lady or anything like that. Now the Cat Lady box contains 3 things for us humans and 2 things for the cats. And we have a comment card. Actually, there's 6 things in the box this month. There usually is 4 things for me and 2 things for the cat. So let's just do the toys real quick since he's here having a really good time. And the first thing is a disco ball. I don't know where they get such cute ideas all the time, but I never would have thought to make a disco ball cat toy. And it is also full of catnip, valued at $5.99. All their toys are actually valued at $5.99. I just straight shot $5.99 for all the toys. And we got another toy, a pair of sunglasses for the kitty cat. So he is totally spoiled rotten. He's still chewing on this one down here. He's having a grand old time on those. Anything I can make him chew on those instead of me is a good day. And I'm sorry for the for all the I tell you. So that's that. What do we get for us humans? Let's go to the t-shirt. It's really cute this month. It says Catterday Forever I love gray t-shirts. I always get a size medium. I'm wearing one of them right now from a previous month. They wash well, they dry well. Sometimes I put them in the dryer, sometimes I don't. They have not been shrinking. So regardless if I put them in the dryer or not, they've been keeping their shape. So that's the t-shirt for the month. Very cute. And then we got a wine glass. I think it's a wine glass. Well, it's a insulated little tumbler, and it's really cute. With wine in it. It says, living my best, 9 limes. You can put iced tea, ice water, anything you want in there. Really nice tumbler. And I can tell on the size of this is gonna fit in the cup holder in my car. And it's made very nice, very nice. Very sturdy, very nice. And I guarantee you it is leak proof. So that is valued at $15.99. T-shirt $22.99. Okay, then we got one of the cutest things I've ever seen. Look at that. It's a Party Cats keychain. Isn't that adorable? I could actually use a keychain to put on my keychain. My current keychain. Very cute. I love it. Maybe I even hook my cell phone to it. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And then the last thing we got is a cat lady bag. It's a zippered bag. It's for your wet clothing or whatever you choose to put in here. Actually, it says it's a poolside pouch. I think that's a good idea to put your wetsuit in here. I might use it for something else, I don't know, but it's very cute. So the poolside pouch, $9.99, and the keychain, $8.99. So really great value this month on all the things. I definitely love the Spoiled Cats Club. Levi's having a blast down here for all the toys. Right, Levi? There he is. You want to say hi from the camera? And I so appreciate Cat Lady Box sending me this for my review. It's always such a treat to receive it. Let's get Levi in there. How you doing, bud? How you doing? There he is. He likes to play with the empty box. You want to go in there with your toys? Come on, let's put all the toys in there. You can have to town. Here you go. Levi's a special cat. Very special. Actually, all cats are special, but I love my Levi. And I just thought I would show him to you. Okay, guys, if you're interested in, of course you have your back to me. If you're interested in the box, I will leave the link down below for you to check out the Spoiled Cats Club and the Cat Lady Box. This is for the month of July 2025. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. God bless. See ya.